Tired of dealing with gas, oil, and mowers that never want to start? Well, this Etoolab 40V Cordless Lawn Mower might be the upgrade your yard needs. No gas, no pulling cords, just push a button and start mowing. Let's see what it can do. Alright, and this is the Etoolab 40V Cordless Lawn Mower. So it will come with 2 batteries for the lawn mower, 20 volts each, and 1 charger so you can charge your batteries. And also it comes with a lever to adjust the cutting height from 25mm till 75mm. And also this is a cool feature, it has a push start button to start the mower. Also the grass collecting bag and everything needed to get started. Let's talk about my favorite feature right away. No gas, no oil, no spark plugs, no maintenance headaches. Just charge the batteries, pop them in, press a button and start mowing. For anyone who has dealt with old gas equipment, this alone is enough reason to consider switching. Especially during the summer when the last thing you want is another engine that refuses to cooperate. Now let's talk power. The Etoolab uses a 40V system paired with a brushless motor. That means better efficiency, less wear over time, and strong cutting performance. And honestly, I was surprised by how capable it feels. Whether you are cutting normal grass or dealing with sections that got a little out of control, it keeps mowing without feeling weak. That's exactly what you want from a cordless mower. The 17-inch cutting deck hits a really nice balance. It's wide enough to cover ground efficiently, but still compact enough to maneuver around landscaping, trees, flower beds, and tight spaces. Sometimes bigger isn't always better. A mower that's easier to control can actually help you finish faster. One feature that's easy to overlook is the adjustable cutting height. The Etoolab gives you 6 different height settings. Maybe you like that freshly trimmed golf course look, or maybe you're trying to keep your lawn a little bit taller during the hot weather. Either way, you got options, and switching between heights is quick and easy. Another big advantage is the dual battery setup. The mower runs on 2 20V battery to deliver a full 40V system. That means plenty of power and enough runtime to handle many residential lawns. And let's be honest, not dragging an extension cord behind you is a huge upgrade. Can we talk about one of the most annoying parts of mowing? Stopping every few minutes to empty the grass bag. Thankfully, the Etoolab includes a large 50-liter collecting bag. That means fewer trips back and forth and more time actually getting the job done. It's one of those features you don't fully appreciate until you're halfway through mowing your lawn. So this thing works amazing. Look at that. So here you can see the difference. See, you can see it like this better. Wow, big difference from here to here. Look at that. Let me go far away. So this one, from here I didn't cut it, and from here I cut it. Looks amazing. Look at that. You can see it better here. After spending time with the Etoolab mower, what stands out most is convenience. This isn't trying to replace a commercial mower used for acres of land. Instead, it's designed for homeowners who want something simple, reliable, and easy to use. The brushless motor delivers solid performance. The battery system eliminates the hassle of gas. The adjustable cutting heights give you flexibility, and the large grass bag helps you spend more time mowing and less time stopping. At the end of the day, it's simple, makes lawn care easier, and honestly, that's exactly what most people want. So, would I recommend the Etoolab 40V Cordless Lawn Mower? Absolutely, especially if you are tired of gas mowers, want low maintenance, have a small to medium sized yard, and if you like the convenience of cordless tools. For me, the biggest selling point is how simple everything is. No gas, no oil, no pull cords, just charge it, start it, and get the job done. And that's hard to argue with. And if you want to check it out, the link is down below in the description. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this one, and thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.